Very good morning to everybody. Now today we are going to discuss in statistics chapter exercise 8.1 fourth problem. A teacher asked the students to complete 60 pages of a record notebook. 8 students have completed only 32, 35, 37, 30, 33, 36, 35 and 37 pages. Find the standard deviation of the pages yet to be completed by them. That is, the question they have mentioned is, a teacher asked to these students. Totally 8 students are there. So 8 students to complete 60 pages of a record notebook. But some of the students have completed 32, 35, 37, 30. So like this 33, 36, 35 and 37 pages. Find the standard deviation of the pages yet to be completed by them. So now what we need to check is how many pages are remaining first. The remaining number of pages to be completed. So what we need to do, in the record notebook there are 60 pages and 8 students have completed these many pages. So we need to calculate 60 minus 32, 60 minus 35, 60 minus 37, because remaining pages, how many pages they need to complete it. They need to know how many pages they need to complete. So the remaining pages need to be completed is, the remaining pages need to be completed is how much? 60. Total number of pages is 60. 60 minus 32. How much? 28. 60 minus 35. How much? 25. 60 minus 37. How much? 23. 60 minus 30. 30. 60 minus 33. How much? 27. 60 minus 33 is 27. 60 minus 36. How much? 24. 60 minus 35. 25. 60 minus 37. 23. So now we have found out the answer of the remaining pages. That is, totally 8 students are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in these 8 students, remaining pages, remaining in the record notebook totally 60 pages. So among those 60 pages, first student need to complete 28 pages because he completed only 32, but remaining 28 is there. So likewise only the calculation we have done. Now we need to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to largest number. So smallest number is first one what? 23. Next is 23. Next 24, any number is there? Yes, 24. Then next 25, 25. Next is 27. Next is 28. Next is 30. So how many students here totally? 8 students. So 8 students means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 8 students are there. So for we need to cross verify finally that whether 8 students are there or not. So now we need to find the standard deviation. So we need to use direct method. xi. The next one is xi square 23, 23, 24, 25, 25, 27, 28. The next one is 30. 23. 23 square is how much? 23 into 23. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. So 529. The next one is 23 square. 529. 24 square is how much? 576. So 24 into 24. 576. 25 square is 625. You can multiply it. 27 square is how much? 27 into 27. 7 7s are 49. Balance 4. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 7 2s are 14. 5. 7 29. 28 square is how much? 8 8s are 64. Balance 6. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 8 2s are 16. 1. 784. 30 square is 900. So now what we need to do is we need to add this entire xi value, because sigma xi value, sigma xi is sigma, this is summation, so we need to add all this. 23 plus 23, 46. 46 plus 24, 70. 70 plus 50, 120. 120 plus 27, 177. 177 plus 28, 205. 205 plus 30, 235. The next thing is what? Once again we will do the calculation. 23 plus 23, 46. 46 plus 24, 70. 120, 147, 175. 175 plus 30, 205. 205. Now we need to do the calculation of this one. 529 plus these things we need to calculate. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 6, 29. 29 plus 9, 38. 38 plus 9, 47. Balance 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 21 plus 8, 29. Balance 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 7, 25. 25 plus 6, 31. 31 plus 6, 37. 37 plus 10, 47. 47 plus 5, 52. That is, we need to add it. So now sigma xi square equal to 5297. Now next thing is what we need to do. Now next thing is, what is the formula? Standard deviation. Standard deviation, this one, equal to, what is the formula we need to write for the standard deviation? Standard deviation equal to sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n whole square. Now, next one is what we are going to do here. Sigma xi square is how much? 5297 by n. N is means what? How many number of students? 8. Sigma xi, how much? 205 by 8 whole square. 5297 by 8 minus 205 whole square is how much? 205 whole square. 205 into 205. How much it will come? 5 5s are 25. Balance 2. 5 into 0, 0. 0 plus 2. 5 2s are 10. 0 into 5, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 2, 0. 2 into 5, 10. Balance 1. 2 into 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 2s are 4. 4, 2, 0, 2, 5. 4, 2, 0, 2, 5 divided by 64. 8 square is 64. 205 square, 4, 2, 0, 2, 5. So now what we need to do is 8, 64. We need to take LCM. So when we need to take LCM, 8, 64. 8. 1 8 is 8. 8 8s are 64. Divided by 8 into 8, 64. 64 divided by 8 is 8. 8 into 5297. 7 8s are 56. Balance 5. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 5, 77. Balance 7. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 3 7, 23. Balance 2. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 2, 42. 42, 3, 7, 6. Minus 64 divided by 64, 1. 1 into 42,025. So 42,000, 42025. 42,376 minus 42,025. 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 0, 3. So now 351 divided by 64. So 351 divided by 64 is how much? (351) divided by 64. 164 is, it won't come. 264 is 128. 3, 4, shall we do with 5? 5 into 64 is, 5 4s are 20, balance 2. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2, 30. So 5, 320. 1 minus 0, 1. 5 minus 2, 3, 0. Here we need to put decimal because we are putting 0 here. So we need to put decimal. So now for 5.4, 4 into 64, 16, 1, 256. This one is how much it will come? 54, 0. So how much? 5.4. This one, 9 into 64. 5.49. 5.49. So when we are taking square root, how much it will come? Around 2 point. This one we need to take 4 to 4 square. 2 square is 4. So 5 is not, there is no square at all. So 2. This one 3, 1. This is the answer. That's all. Thank you. 2.31.